Hi everyone, it's Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. Thought I would check in and say hi and let you know that I am getting ready to go on a little camping trip this weekend, and I'm going to try to take you along as much as possible. And I don't know if you've seen my other videos. If you haven't, please go check them out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. It really helped me out, and you can see all my videos about my new changes and improvements to my minivan camper. I'm slowly getting ready for a bigger trip in January to the RTR, but I'm also getting ready for something this weekend. So I had to step up my getting ready plans because I had an unexpected invitation to camp this weekend. So you can see a little bit back there. It's a little hard to see. But I have done some changes. So the front isn't a lot different. This is a little seat that my Chewini Circe, she's in some of my pet videos and some of my shorts, so check those out. She's very cute. She'll be sitting up here. In the past I've had them both in the back of the van, but they get tangled up in each other, so I decided to separate them. She's always trying to get herself up here in the front, so I thought I'd let her have her own little car seat, and my corgi Palm will stay back here. He likes the bed, and so he'll be comfortable by himself without getting tangled up with his sister. So this is my bed. So this is my kitchen area. A little close, but I want you to see some things. There's my kitchen stuff down there, and these are my fix whatever supplies. You can see my city van life stickers, because I like watching him. He's pretty cool. He's out of Canada. He's on YouTube, so check him out. It's Chrome and Cruzy the dog. So I got some more kitchen supplies kind of tucked back there. Try to use all the space that I can. I added back my little basket of partially used batteries, extra lights, chargers, and things I might need. I moved a fan over here from back there. I have another fan back there. You can see I have extra tinting on my side windows in the back for privacy and for shade. You can see my screen. I need to do some repairs to my screen. It's kind of hanging there. It's supposed to be tucked into the window, but it came out while I was getting some other things done, so I had to fix that. Here's the dog's pen. I put that out when I camp with the pups. I can kind of still see a little bit out that window if I need to, but usually don't need to. Can't see that window anyway. I'm thinking about putting my Reflectix in and just leaving it, since I can't really see out that window. But I put my other basket up there with my socks and underwear, and I put in my little curtain. You'll see a little bit about how I did that. And another clip. And there's my potty. All the supplies are in it. And my ice chest with my homemade cover. Helps keep it cooler. It's made out of Reflectix and material. So, I don't know if you can see, but there's the Reflectix right here. So that's sewn on there. Actually, the material and the Reflectix are actually Velcroed together. I can take them apart to wash the material. except for the lid. I can wash the whole lid cover. So that's my comfy, cozy little space there, and I have more storage up here for jackets and sweaters and extra supplies here. And so that's kind of a little messy here. I went out on some errands today. There's my pump for my water bottle, and this is pretty basic. And there's we call this Genie the Garmin, the old Genie. It's an old Garmin I've had for a long time, and it still works great, so that I do most of my GPSing that way, except sometimes she doesn't know current routes. So I have to rely on my cell phone. So I'm home now, and I will continue documenting as I get Ruby. I call this van Ruby, the red minivan, and I will be doing more to her as I go along, and I will share that with you. You can see I have my little chair. It's one of those neat chairs with the sunshade that goes over the top, and this is the dog's little playpen that goes inside their enclosure when I set them up. I'm gathering up some food items to take with me, and that's about it for right now.